Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will teach you how I made this preset in Lightroom Mobile. Now, if you want the DNG file this preset, I will put a link in the description below for you to download. So now, let's get started. First, go to Lights panel. For this photo, I'll adjust the exposure to 0.08. Contrast to -76. Highlights to -100. Shadows to 63. Whites to -27. And blacks to 50. Now go to the color panel. Adjust the temperature to 26. Tint to 15. Vibrance to 41. And saturation to -4. And now go to color mix. Go to red, adjust the hue to 7. Saturation to -11. And luminance to 11. Go to orange, leave the hue to 0, and adjust the saturation to 13. And luminance to 6. Go to yellow, adjust the hue to -55. Saturation to 10. And leave the luminance to 0. Go to green, adjust the hue to -100. Saturation to -76. And leave the luminance to 0. Now go to aqua, adjust the hue to 45. Saturation to -100. And luminance to -58. Go to blue, adjust the hue to -100. Saturation to -35. And luminance to -28. Go to purple, adjust the saturation to -100. And lastly, go to magenta, adjust the saturation to -100. And then click done. And now, go to the effects panel. I'll adjust the texture of this photo to 6. Clarity to 6. And a haze to 28. And then go to split tone. Go to highlights, adjust the hue to 193, and saturation to 17. And lastly go to shadows, adjust the hue to 31 and then leave the saturation to 0. So now, we're done. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this tutorial. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you in another video.